Hey everyone, looking for a way to learn any subject for free? Whether you are studying for school, expanding your knowledge, or just curious, YouTube educational channels have it all. Today, I'll be showing you the best YouTube channels for all subjects. So let's start. First up, for math and science, Khan Academy is an absolute must. Their videos break down tough concepts into easy to follow lessons, covering everything from basic arithmetic to advanced physics. Need help with history, literature, or even philosophy? Crash Course is your go-to channel. With fun animations and clear explanations, they make learning both engaging and memorable. Want something a little more conceptual? TED provides short animated videos on a wide range of subjects like philosophy, world events, and even brain teasers. Looking to pick up a new language? Channel like Easy Language and Learn French with Alexa offers channel in real-world setting, perfect for beginners and advanced learning alike. Interested in tech and coding? Free Code Camp and CS50 are two of the most channels of learning programming, web developed, and computer science for Scratched. And for those of you who are into arts and music, check out Draw with Jazza and drawing tutorials or piano lessons on the web for learning to play music. Whether it's creative skills or academics, YouTube got you covered. And the best part of YouTube is you can learn at your own pace, anywhere, anytime. These channels offer high quality lessons for free, making education more accessible than even before. So no matter what subject you are interested in, math, science, history, languages, coding or arts, YouTube has a channel for you. So are you ready to dive in? Be sure to check out these channels and start learning today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more educational tips. Let me know in a comment box what subject you are excited to explore. And yeah, if you want to the links of this channel, I'll give you the links of all the channels in description box. So after watching this video, you can click on that links and watch that kind of channels. So thank you everyone.